Hey there, YouTube, The Walking Dead again, and curiosity's got the best of me. How long ago was it that I got this? October. Whoops. It's been put up. I haven't done anything with it. I've wanted so bad to take this, whoops, and go like that. And then, right like this. Maybe. Now, I don't have very much Star Wars stuff. I've got some of the Star Wars Lego sets. I actually think that's about all the Star Wars I've got is some of the Lego sets. I had fun building them a year ago. But when I was growing up, the only Star Wars... Well, no, it wasn't the only Star Wars vehicle. I did have one of the TIE Fighters. But I did have this speeder bike at one point. And my God, this is molded around here. Oh, that came out. I'm trying to be gentle with it and not break it. Okay, I've got to take the rear end out first. There we go. Yay! It is out. Gotta get that hand put back on there. That's not good. I'm trying to see if there's any moving... Oh, wow. Now that's cool. Now, one thing that I had noticed while he was in the packaging is his gun... I don't know what that was. His gun in his boot is actually a separate piece. So to me, that's actually pretty cool that they did do that. So, now what I found that I thought was pretty cool was your exhaust or thrusters actually open up so that you can see inside. And that's pretty cool. It's got a lot of awesome detail. The only other actual moving piece I see on it is the gun underneath. Yeah, the handles don't actually move. But that is, to me, it's an awesome model. I love it. I have wanted so much to open this up and take him out, and I have fought until today, January 1st, 2015. So it lasted roughly 3 months. I do have other things that have lasted longer than that before getting opened, but this one, I couldn't wait any longer. Not only that, I found out they are cheaper on Walmart's website I do plan on saying, hey, do you mind getting me one? Which something else that's neat, if I can get this back out. The stand has 3 different length legs. So you can actually have him flying high or flying low. So, yeah. Come on. We're going to go for the flying high. Give him a little bit more presence there. And you can actually kind of angle him a little bit. I think that's pretty cool. I think that looks pretty cool. Which, in between videos, you can see I went even more unleaded, got me some water. And the volume of water is because I'm sweating like crazy under here. So, that is the Star Wars Black Series speeder bike with Biker Scout. There's really not a lot of them that I really want to get. I do want to get Darth Vader and Stormtrooper, Clone Trooper, basically any of the troopers that there are. R2, Boba Fett, and one that I've actually been trying to find locally in the Walgreens is the white Boba Fett, but I can't get him. I was actually trying to find that for myself, as well as it being a Christmas present for a friend of mine that is a major Boba Fett geek. He loves Boba Fett. But I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Walking Dad. Thank you so much for watching. And as always,